In the Alberta Teachers Association, Local 28, the Diversity, Equity, and Human Rights Committee promotes diversity, equity, and human rights in Alberta schools. We support Indigenous education, intercultural education, sexual orientation and gender identity, and gender equity. As a committee, we have produced this interactive diversity and inclusion training kit for use in classrooms or for teacher support within the classroom. Our Truth, a journey of reconciliation. Within this book, there is an active exploration of Canada's collective history, our present and our future. It's about how we grow as individuals, families, and communities in reconciliation. Along with the Speaking Our Truth, a Journey of Reconciliation Teacher's Guide, this comprehensive guide will help you plan inquiry-based unit plans focused on Indigenous teachings. The Student Voice booklets are a resource to support discussions about complex societal issues using the voice of students. The Canadian Teachers Federation has developed these resource booklets to support teachers in raising awareness and addressing questions from students around a wide range of topics: linguistic insecurity, affirming gender diversity, mental health stigma, truth and reconciliation, and poverty.
All Are Welcome is a great story for teachers and students to celebrate the diversity and encouragement and support of all children.
It's Okay to Be Different is an elementary classroom story that endeavors to teach young audiences an important lesson that all children and adults need to learn, that although people may differ in the things they like, the way they live, and the way they look, everyone deserves to be treated with the same kindness and respect.
There are 7 documents developed by Alberta teachers to assist classroom teachers and school administrators throughout Alberta to better understand the culture and needs of immigrant students in our schools. Here Comes Everyone is a teacher resource to help teachers build and sustain practices that honor and respect an inclusive multicultural classroom. PRISM, both for elementary schools and secondary schools, is a toolkit that was created to help teachers promote safe and supportive classroom discussions about sexual minorities and gender variance. PRISM is an acronym for Professionals Respecting and Supporting Individual Sexual Minorities. GSA and QSAs in Alberta schools is a guide for teachers to help teachers build and sustain practices that honor and respect inclusive environments.
Genderbread.org is an incredible teaching tool for both teachers and secondary school students. It is a tool that can be used for breaking down the big concept of gender into smaller pieces. Genderbread.org is a fantastic resource that includes numerous activities and lesson plans. Within the kit is one progressive rainbow pride flag and one rainbow pride flag to be used and displayed within your school communities. They, Them, Their, a guide to non-binary and genderqueer identities. Drawing on the author's own experiences as a non-binary person, the guide shares common experiences and challenges faced by those who are non-binary and what friends, family, and other cisgender people can do to support them. Breaking down misconceptions and providing definitions, the history of non-binary identities and gender-neutral language, and information on healthcare. This guide is for anyone wanting to fully understand non-binary and genderqueer identities. How to They Them, a visual guide to non-binary pronouns in the world of gender fluidity. This is a fantastic nonfiction book for both teachers and secondary school students. It is a straightforward, practical, relevant navigation through the world of gender fluidity.
The DEHR Committee is committed to recognizing and combating racism, understanding and supporting the LGBTQ2S+ community, recognizing the struggles, resiliency, and value of the First Nations, Inuit, and Métis peoples on the lands of Turtle Island, and hearing the voices of women and minorities in education and beyond.